আসসালামু আলাইকুম ভিউয়ার্স, আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছেন। আমি আলহামদুলিল্লাহ ভালো আছি আপনাদের দোয়ায়। তো আজকে আমি যে বিষয়টা নিয়ে কথা বলবো সেটা হচ্ছে রকেট মর্গেজ, আর কীভাবে মর্গেজের করবেন আপনারা সেই বিষয়ে কথা বলবো। তো ভিডিওটি না টেনে শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখবেন, আর চ্যানেলটিকে অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিবেন, পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটিতে ক্লিক করে দিবেন। তো চলুন ভিডিওটি শুরু করা যাক। মর্গেজ রকেট বাইং এ হোম স্টার্ট ইয়ার উইথ সেভিংস। আচ্ছা, আমরা বাইং এ হোম আগে ক্লিক করে দেখি ওরা এখানে কি বলে। সরি, এখানে your partner on the path of new tab. আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ, আমার থেকে ফিউচার লার্নিং সেন্টার, a future resource, a guide to first time home buyer programs, loans and grants. Home buying 7 minute rate, Victor Aras, February 28, 23. Looking to buy your first home? See if your quality for this time for buyer programs, loan option and grants. Mortgage preparables versus requalifications. Which should you get? Home buying 6 rate, Victoria Raj, February 2022-2023. Not sure of the difference between mortgage preferency and approval? Find out everything you need to know right here. FHA loans requirements, loan limits and rates, loan types. 11 minutes rate, Victoria Raj, February 9, 2023. And FHA loan is government package that this allows you to buy a worth strict financial requirements. Learn more about FHA loans and if your quality. How much house can I afford? How to calculate your home affordability and access your fitness. Home buying 11 minute rate, Meriton Space, February 2023. Wondering how much house you can afford? Learn more about to figure out of the much you can spend at home at use to home affordability calculator here. Purchase season start to hits strides. Home buying 5 minutes rate, giving Graham, February 40, 2023. The housing market is being to show some favorite if you are buyer rate to the more. What is cash to close? Home buying 5 minutes rate, added February 2023. You have found the perfect home. Next, you will need to know your cash to close amount and signing onto the documents in for your mortgage. Let's go over these steps in detail. Declining where to live. Home buying about 6 months, February 28, 2023. Well, I'll know to check for a good school and nice background, but what else do people need to keep in mind when deciding where is to live? This episode of the Red Desk goes over the questions we need to ask ourselves when clothing that ideal neighborhood. So read more. Your guide to debit to icon DTI ratio for BA loans. Loans type 6 minutes rate, structurally clear February 2020. Applying for a VA loan, your debit to income ratio will be an important factor. Learn how to calculate your DTI ratio and what to if your DTI is too high. Deciding where to live. We all know to check for good school and nice backgrounds, but what each people need to keep in mind when deciding where to live. This episode of the Red Desk goes over the questions we need to ask ourselves when choosing the ideal neighborhood. A guide to real estate clothing documents for buyers. Home buying, 4 minutes rate. Ashley Calorie, February 22, 2023. Not sure what to expect at your house clothing. Familiarizing yourself with these clothing documents to appear yourself and steering the process. Community property with lots of services explained. Mortgage basics, 8 minutes rates. Sandy Residences, February 22, 2023. Community proper with right of survivorship is when a material of domestic partners share property. Learn how it can protect assets after the debit to the partner. A guide to conditional approach for home buyers. Mortgage basics, 4 months rate. Killer, February 27, 2023. A conditional approval means your leader will approve your mortgage so long as you meet certain terms. Read our advice to best prepare your loan application. Jumbo versus conventional loans. Is there a difference? Loan type, 6 months rate. Mislead Proc, February 27, 2023. Jumbo and conventional loans are on of the same. Learn more about those two terms and understand what's often concerns about them. Did in lake of Forselius, what to know, referring 7 straight underwater. If you are studying that the possibility of Forselius and you might learn how to did and lay of Forselius works and whether it's right for you. Do you have an underwater mortgage? Here are your options. Referring 6 minutes rate per tax cash, February 27, 2023. If you owe more than your home is worth, you have an underwater mortgage. Find your the early indicators and what you would underwater on your mortgage. Dual agency, what you should know before you buy. Home buying from Sarah Sharkey, February 27, 2023. Dual agents works for the both of buyer and seller in a real estate transaction. Learn more about how this works and how to decide if dual agency is right for you. Earnest money and MBA loans, what you need to know. Loans type, 6 months. How to earnest money deposit factor in the VA loan process. Learn everything you need to know about earnest money and VA loans. 2023 housing market forecast from the expert home buying administrator. What does 2023 hold for the housing market? We looked at the predictions of several experts. See what they said and what is might mean for you. Rocket Mortgage Partner, keep with by farmer. তো বন্ধুরা আজকে এই পর্যন্তই। সাথে